linear design project called It Takes Time, a time study and simulation modeling project at Paragon Foods by Anaya, Hannah, Emma, and Joaquin. Paragon Foods is a rapidly growing company that prepares fresh produce for restaurants, universities, and hospitals. At Paragon Foods, in the Just Cut operations, the main line for production produces made-to-order, pre-cut, and pre-packaged vegetables. The main line can produce a wide variety of final products. However, the current process is chaotic due to line flexibility, product variability, and lack of staffing. The main goals of this project were to establish baseline data, create a simulation of the process in Simio, and combine these two resources in order to analyze the process and optimize worker allocation of the main line. Controlled time studies were conducted to obtain an appropriate data needed to construct an accurate simulation. In order to manage the product variability, group technology was utilized to develop 3 major part families that account for 85% of the total production volume. Simulations were built to model each of the part families for them to be analyzed. Using the simulation, a sensitivity analysis was performed to see how the models would react to variable changes. Looking at the results of the experiment, it was determined that certain variables had much larger impacts on the system when they were adjusted in the simulation. Therefore, it was recommended that these variables be increased or decreased appropriately. It was also recommended that scheduling is done so that vegetables that are in the same part family go through the system in sequence with one another.